Hello, this is Brett Lonsdale from Lightning Tools, and I'm going to share the new Social Squared client-side web part developed under the SharePoint framework for both SharePoint Online and also Microsoft Teams. So here we have Social Squared added as a tab in Microsoft Teams, and what you can see is I've already gone through and configured a few different SharePoint, a few different forum groups. So at the top here, we have the SharePoint Online forum group that I created. I also have a Microsoft Teams forum group and a Microsoft OneDrive. But of course, these are not going to necessarily always reflect Microsoft technologies, but could also reflect different departments within inside your organization or different teams within inside your organization or even different knowledge areas where you want to be able to post questions and receive answers. So the benefit to the user is the fact that they can go to the most relevant forum group and then go into the forum as they would do with inside a traditional forum such as MSDN. So when we go into the SharePoint development forum as an example, I can go through in there and see that there's 3 different posts that have been created. I can see who created those posts, whether any of them have been answered or not yet, and also I can see the average rating for each of those posts as well. So in order to create a new post, we can basically go through and click on to add new topic, and we get a subject here, so I can post a question, which I'll post a question here. How do we create site designs? And in the message, I can post a question there alongside my subject. So I've posted my question, and of course I've got the ability to go through and use the rich text panel here for applying styles to my content as well, and that includes inserting images, which we can do from the rich text editor, and I've also got a highlighter as well, so we can make some of that content stand out. We also have a tag cloud, so in here I could tag this with site designs and click on to add that new topic. So that topic has been created, and now another user could come in here, they can read my post and they have the ability to reply to it. So there's the answer. And of course, I could go through and mark that as answered if that helped me out. So that is telling other users that this is the correct answer, and they will be able to benefit from those questions and answers that are posted with inside that forum. As well as marking as answered, I also have the ability to like. Of course, I can't like my own posts, so another user would have to log in to like my posts, and I can also so I can like it. I can also vote it up and down as well. And these are features that you can refine using Social Squared settings. I can rate the post. I can also subscribe to it as well. So if I want to receive email notifications based upon other people responding to my post, then I can receive that. I can filter out the answers, so that allows me to do so. We've also got a threaded view or a flat view, depending on how you want to see the content. And we can do things like make the topic sticky as well, so this remains at the top of the forum, and I can lock it also as the moderator to make sure that nobody else can reply to this anymore, since we've already got enough responses. So that's the sort of functionality that we have with inside Social Squared. If you want to create your own forum groups, then we can go through and easily create a new forum group. So here we could create a forum group for Outlook and add that. And inside the forum group, I could go through and add one or more forums. So the first forum could be the Outlook icon, or let's have the Outlook iOS app. There we go. So we'll have the Outlook iOS app discussion and add that. And we could go through and add another one for the Outlook desktop app discussion. So we now have our 2 forums within inside that forum group. So we can refine those, we can edit them, I can close this panel here, and you can see in there I've got the Outlook forum group with the two forums to post discussions about those particular subjects there. So if I want to refine any of the settings, then we can basically bring up the settings here, click onto edit. That allows us to do things like change the forum order, and likewise we can go through and change the settings of each forum. We also have here a list of popular topics, so we can see those in one view. I can also see recent activities as well. We can see the most active users. I'm afraid there's just me, and I've also got the tag cloud as well. So if we want to be able to jump straight to a piece of content based on a tag, then we can do that. So that's basically Social Squared. It's another angle on having discussions. So rather than a continual thread of discussions, we have the Q&A discussions, building up knowledge base that is organized into forum groups and forums. Okay, many thanks.